Hey, what is going on, guys? It is JD Business, and today I'm bringing you back another Tesla video. Sorry if it's not a business video, as my channel is a business, but it's converting more into Tesla/business channel now. I do own a Tesla Model 3. This is the standard. So today we're going to be installing the door light. So when you open the door, the logo is going to show right there in the dark. So we're going to be installing that today. I'm going to just be showing you how and what do you need. And I'm also going to be putting down in the description the link to where I got it. So it's on Amazon.com. They're only 16 or 17 bucks, I believe, and they're very high quality. Here's the beautiful car, and here are the door lights. So it says 3D shadow door light, and this is the packaging. So let's get into it. And here's the packaging. A knife or a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver is actually recommended, but I don't have one, so I'm going to be using a knife. So what you want to do is go under the car. As you can see, here are the lights, and what you're going to basically do is remove it. So with the flat screwdriver, you would just, you know, pop it open, but I don't have one, so what I'm going to do is just pop it open with this, and like that, there you go. So I'm just going to pull it out like that. So let's open the packaging first. All right, guys, so I just got the cable removed. So all you have to do is slide it out and you get the new one. So this is what it looks like right here. Okay, and then you have the two connectors, and you connect these connectors right here. There's two little eyes. I don't know if you guys can see that, and you just connect those right back, and the window actually goes up and it makes a noise. What you have to do is put that on. Let me see where is it the other way? Which way is it? So just see how the logo is, and then the logo should, okay, there you go, and you connect that back. I'm surprised the windows went up, so I'm trying to put it back now. It's pretty hard, pretty stiff. Okay, let me take it out again. Okay, let's see, put it like that, and then you just slide it back in, and voila. And now I have the Tesla logo installed. So that's how easy it is. Now let's go do the other side. All right, guys, so I'm in the garage right now, and obviously I turned off all the lights so you can see a picture clearer, and let's see how it looks like so when you open the door. So let's open it, and that's what it looks like. Now let me turn off the flash real quick, and voila, let me turn off every single light so you can see a picture clear view of how cool this is. So when you open the door, look how cool that is. Look. You get your tea and your Tesla. Now, isn't that pretty cool? So the definition of this is pretty darn clear. So I'm zooming in right now on the floor. This is on the floor. And it's all coming from the light that we installed today. Now, I think this is pretty darn cool. So if you guys want to install this, the description is down below. The link is on Amazon.com right now. Well, that is going to do it for today's video. If you guys want to buy these out, like I said before in the video, they're super easy to install. Literally took me less than like 5 minutes to do both doors, and it looks super, super dope. If you guys have a Tesla Model 3, S or X, they both, all of these lights will fit on it. And I don't know, I only bought two. So I'm thinking about, so the set comes with two. So if I would have bought two sets, I could install the back doors, but I don't really use the back doors. So I might install it maybe in the future if I do use the back doors, but I don't know yet. So if you guys want to buy these, hit the link down in the description. They're like 16, 17 bucks, less than $20 to upgrade your car. Pretty sick. Look at that. The T, even in the pretty daylight, you could see, but this is a garage, so it's not daylight. There goes the M4. So you guys want to buy this, hit the link down in the description. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. I upload business videos / Tesla videos. If you guys want a more Tesla videos, more accessory videos, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel, like and comment. Thank you guys.